Alright guys, so thought I'd do a remake video on this page 47 Centreville. Good thing it still works, but yes, it still works even though the fan chain is broken as in stuck. So yeah, I don't use the fortunes on this fan anymore for one, because one of them is stuck, and two, I don't want the other one to break and that get broken too. Yeah, so I'm just going to turn the lights on for a minute to show you what I did, because the fan still works and it's only on one switch. But yeah, you probably would know by now, but for those who don't know, there's a trick like where you put the reverse switch in the middle, the fan won't spin. So yeah. So you do this with the light on. Just set this down, turn the fan on. So yeah, it's stuck on high speed. Oh yeah, I'm doing the loosen the bulbs trick. But for one of the bulbs I cannot loosen, because for one, it'll burn me, and number two, it's hard to loosen it. I really need to. So yeah, I don't know. I might just have to take that out and put another new one, because yeah, that's really a problem. So yeah. Put the lights back on. So yeah, here it is once the lights on over. Yeah, I don't think it was a good idea replacing that light bulb. But yeah, here it is. Yeah, but so I don't know if that WD-40 trick will work on it, because like I tried reaching it without stepping on the step stool, but okay, I can only reach the point of it, but it's like stuck, like super stuck, like it doesn't even hold a bit. So yeah, I really need help fixing it, and I don't think the logical thing to do would be to replace it, because I already replaced, because this thing actually replaced an old junky one, but yeah. So yeah, if that doesn't work, I might just have to get a completely new pull chain for it. So anyway, I'll turn it off now. So yeah, unfortunately I wasn't able to show it on all speeds in the fan and with the lights completely off, because I'll try it loosening that bulb. Okay. it's really too hot to touch. So yeah, might as well watch it spin down. Okay, just gonna end the video now, but so yeah, like this video, subscribe, and hit that